Looking for an affordable, accessible, and welcoming event space? Look no further than SETAY. SETAY is a healthy lifestyle center in Phoenix, Arizona, offering 2 studios with classes, workshops, and events. SETAY supports their instructors through marketing on the website, social media, and other outlets. Instructors at SETAY offer a comfortable and caring environment to assist clients with maintenance of a healthy lifestyle. Dance and fitness instructors who don't want to be tied down to a long-term lease love to rent and work out at SETAY. Clients share they love the inviting and fun atmosphere. Classes vary from yoga to a 30-minute circuit to line dancing, Tai Chi, and everything in between, with new classes introduced regularly. Some people feel they need to be fit to attend a fitness or dance class. However, at SETAY, you'll see diversity where everyone is welcome and encouraged to achieve a healthy lifestyle. Stay up to date with classes, tips, and reviews by subscribing to SETAY's YouTube channel and click on the bell so you'll be notified every time a new video is uploaded.